tackling this cooler. Now, my idea is that I am going to paint it black, and I found this at not Home Depot. I found this at Walmart. It was $9.98 at my local Walmart, and it says that it's a high performance enamel. I hope, because it doesn't say that it is a matte or a satin finish, but there was two of them, and one had a shiny cap, and then this one had a more matte cap. So I decided to go for this one. I'm hoping that it's gonna look like the color on the lid. But the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna be wiping it down. Even though it is pretty much clean, it's just on the outside. I'm gonna wipe it down, tape the bottom of the lid off, because we're gonna start with the lid first, and I'm going to be priming it first. I found this also at the Walmart for $9.98, so $20 here, and I think it's something, I'm hoping that it'll work out. The instructions seem pretty easy. I'm gonna wipe everything down, but I think for $20, if you had a cooler that maybe was looking dull or faded, you know, a quick coat of paint and a little bit of time, and you could get something really nice. I am hoping to get some gold knobs for the cooler, and kind of go for this black and gold look, which is what I'm really into right now. So we will see. Definitely going to be a learn as I go process. So yeah, let's get started. After wiping everything down, I did decide to go ahead and disassemble the cooler. This made it a lot easier for me to get into those harder to reach places with the spray paint. Plus, I also plan on spray painting those screws a different color, and you'll see that a little bit later on the video. everything's been primed, I am gonna go ahead and start with my black enamel spray paint. And I do wanna say that I absolutely love this spray paint along with the primer. This was the first time that I have ever used this particular spray paint from Rustoleum, and I definitely recommend it. It dried quickly and it left a nice smooth finish and definitely a good coverage as well. I'm now going to be spray painting those screws I had mentioned earlier, and I did decide to go with a metallic gold spray paint, also from Rustoleum, and I will be spray painting some of the screws along with the drain pipe cover as well. Reassembling the cooler, and usually whenever I'm spray painting, I do like to let my pieces harden for a day or two, and so that's what I did as well on this. And so I'm going to be putting everything together, and then in just a bit I will pull out my metallic paint. I'm now going to be distressing the cooler. I am using a gold paint by Folkart. It's called Pure Gold. And also by Folkart, there's Silver Sterling. And I have just a plain flat brush that I am removing the excess off of on a paper towel. That way I can control how much or how little I want to put on a specific area and give me that outcome that I want. So now I'm going to be putting on the final touches to the cooler, and this is my favorite part. Obviously, all of your hard work and ideas have finally come to reality, and you can see the final product. I absolutely love the cooler. I think it is going to fit in so nicely out in my porch deck area and can't wait to use it. I do hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please consider subscribing. I am really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and if you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.